Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, I bring you Birchbox. It's probably my last Birchbox. No, I think November's my last box. Because I bought a full year real cheap. It was like 75 bucks or something for a full year. Anyways, for those of you that are not familiar with the Birchbox, it is now $15. I believe it's $15 a month. I think it's $15 a month now. It used to be $10. They raised the prices on the women's box because the men's box is still $10 a month. But the women's box is $15 a month. It is a monthly subscription, so it'll be continuous until you cancel. Sorry about the noise. I have to like rip this open. And on the top, on the little, on the address label, it always gives like a little saying. This one says, ship to, thank you, my name. Oh, I like this box. It's upside down, but I really like this box. So that's the box, and that's what it looks like when you open it up. To be honest, they have, okay, so they went up in price. They went up to $15 a month, but now you can curate your box. So you can either pick a box or just let them pick it for you. So they give you options to choose from, like maybe 4 or 5 options. The ones that I wanted were sold out because of course I forgot and I went in too late. And like I went in 2 days before. It's like countdown 2 days to you can curate your box. Then when I remembered, I was a day late and $1 short because I didn't get the box I wanted. Or you can, instead of curating your box, you can, you know, say I don't want a box, I want a full-size item. So you could do that, or I believe you can get points. So there's like a lot of different options now with Birchbox. It's not just here's a box, shut your mouth, and you get what you get. You have options. But look at this beautiful box. I really adore it. It is like an orangey, it's actually like a fluorescent orange, and it has all these cute little pictures on it. And then on the back, I love this orange. I really do. I hope it translates on camera correctly because on my monitor it shows like a red, but it's really orange, and I love it. I really, really love it. So that's what it looks like when we open up the box, and it says trick or treat. The treatment step is the most personal part of your skincare routine because there are endless combinations to target your skin's needs. It's like creating your own personal magic potion. Ooh. This chart breaks down the different formulas, how to layer them, and why you might choose them. It goes into mist, tonic and toner, essence, elixir, and serum. It talks about their consistencies, what it is, and how to, and why to use it. I will put that up here so you can you know, you can stop the video and read it if you like. It's up to you. And then on the back of it, it lists everything that's in here. I really love this color. Look at this orange. It's like so pretty. And on the bottom it says, we're gearing up for the holidays. Halloween may be coming up this month, but the winter holidays have a way of sneaking up on us. Boo. Never fear, we'll add exclusive new sets, limited edition boxes, and products in our shop every week to help you cover everyone on your list. Check out birchbox.com/new arrivals for the latest. Oh, so I'm like, I peeked. It's not fair. I didn't want to see. Now I get to, I'm like looking at everything that's in here. Okay, so we're going to try to go in order so it makes it easier. You know, the little sample sizes in this box are just like so teeny weeny, and for 15 bucks you're like, But every now and then you get like a full-size item. So, and like I said, I was grandfathered in. I may not even continue this box come December, only because like I said, I missed out on the damn date. My fault, I know, because there was one box I really, really wanted and I missed it, so whatever. Okay, so if you're a subscriber already, you get a free extra box for you when you gift the Birchbox, plus $5 off. So need a reason to start holiday shopping early? use code 5OFF to get $5 off any Birchbox gift subscription for them, and a free extra beauty or grooming box for yourself. So that's nice. Always nice. Okay, so we're gonna start out with the first item, which is not that. If I had my glasses on, I'd be able to find it. Okay, so this is the Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Cream Gel. The full-size product of this little bad boy is $64. It says this formula has a light gel-like texture or sorbet, but it's still a heavy hitter. It packs hyaluronic acid and moringa oil to offer serious hydration without greasiness. Wow, I said that all in one breath, I think, and I actually got hyaluronic right. So that's the little tiny sample we're getting, which I don't complain. Hey, you know, 24-hour double hydration cream gel. It's sealed, so I don't want to open it because I do have a moringa oil that I use from Tarte. Love it. I use it underneath my eyes. Oh, I just love it. So hopefully this will be just as good. Okay, so the next one is Amika. This one, Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. This is for your hair. I believe Amika's only hair products. This is the first time sampling in this box. The full size item of this is $25. Moisturize, detangle, and defrizz with the sea buckthorn oil-based leave-in hair cream. Distribute throughout damp hair and style as usual. And of course, it's gonna have a safety seal. I just know it. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it doesn't. It smells. I put a Hava cream on my hands, and it's got a really strong smell, so you can't really. Oh, it smells good. Let me put it. My hair's not damp, but I can put it in my. And I gotta dye my hair because sister got some whites coming through. Okay, so the next item is Dr. Lip, which is a. Is it this? No. Which is a clean beauty pick, moisturizing color tint sweet potato. Full size is $7.99. That's what that little product is. Hopefully you can see it because I can't see my monitor because no tengo mis lentes. I don't have my, no, what are they called? No, I don't have pupilentes on, which are your contacts, and I don't have lentes on, which are glasses. Sweet potato pigment. I want to know what it is. 100% natural moisturizing tint with edible plant-based pigment, fragrance and additive free. So very kissable. And it's not tested on animals. Oh man, I put it on like it was germy. No, it actually, can you see that little drop that I put on there? No. You know what? You can smell that it's kind of clean, like based. It's not sticky like normal glosses. It's actually, but it's, you could smell them, papa, or you could smell something. But anyways, still good. I'll use it. Winter's coming. The next item is the Model Cool. It's new to Birchbox. Matte lip cream, peachy nude. The full size is $20. I'm not fond of mattes. Dang it. I might send it to my daughter. Yeah, I might send it to her. She can use this. She likes mattes. I don't like mattes. That's what that looks like. So Jocelyn, if you're watching this, congratulations, mija. I know you're putting a lot of sacrifice in. For everyone that doesn't know or are not familiar, my daughter Jocelyn is in the Marines. Today marks 1 year that she set foot on Paris Island, and she stood on the yellow footprints, and to dedicate the next 3 years of her life to the Marines, and maybe even more than that. So love you, mija. Thank you for all your sacrifices. Okay, so let's continue on, because then I'll start crying, and mama don't want to do that. It's so funny how we touch on the next subject because my daughter's in Japan. And the next item is Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Shine Oil Mist. Full size is $16. It says grape stem cell technology, which is now have intrigued me. It is cruelty free, no animal testing, made in Japan. That's what that looks like. I love these. I love Miss. Don't put too much. I got a story for you. I one time put on an oil sheen in my hair, right? Because my hair was dry and it was a lot and it's all over the place. So I was like, Bianca, my daughter, she's like, here, Ma, use some oil sheen. I didn't know that it was gonna spray out the way it did. So I sprayed my hair. Oh man, I looked like a greasy mess. I'll never forget it because I went like this and my hair was so oily. Oh my goodness, it was too funny. I was like, I'm slicking that shit back in a ponytail. But I love oil mist. Just you gotta be careful not to put too much or you'll look really oily. So I'm glad we got that full size. It's $16. The next item is Wander Beauty. It's first time sampling. It's a nude illusion liquid foundation and a light to medium. It is $40 for the full size. Wow, really? You know, I got tricked into buying that damn ABH. I think that was $45, but I really love it. So hopefully this one is just as good. So let's put some here. I'm putting some on my dark hand. Oh damn it, I put too much. Wait, can I suck some up? I don't want to waste it. I think I did. Anyway, I'm putting it on my dark hand. So that's the color. Can you see that? It's because I have my TV on. Sorry. And you're probably getting the reflection. Oh, it is nice. Like I said, I put it on my dark hand. So I don't know if you can see it there. And my chair keeps making a noise. I see that it goes into my fine lines in my hand, so I wonder if that's going to be an issue when I put it on my face. Anyway, the full size is $40. That's good. So if I try this and don't like it, I'm never buying the big one. And the last item in here is an is it R Plus Co? R and Co? I don't know. Gemstone color shampoo and conditioner. This is good for color treated hair. It blends hibiscus, peas, rice, and golden root extracts. The regular size for, I believe, I don't know if it's for both. It just says $32 full size, but that's the little sample you get. So that's everything that came in Birchbox. We got the little foil packet of the Gemstone color shampoo and conditioner, the Wander Beauty liquid foundation, but you know you can go to Sephora and get that. Perfect Shine Oil Mist, which I'm glad we got this. We got the Model Co Matte Lip Cream, which I'll probably give to my daughter. We got the Dr. Lip Moisturizing Color Tint Sweet Potato. We got the Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. Actually, I like everything in this box. And then we also got the Hydra Memory Cream Gel. So that's everything in this box. I really like this box. I love the packaging. I'm gotta figure out what to do with the packaging now because I really like it. But that's everything that came in here. Again, we did the trick-or-treating stuff, so you get to do that. And that's it. So that's everything. So I want to thank you all again for being here. I truly appreciate it. Anyways, thank you all for being here. I truly appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section down below any of your concerns, questions. What would you like to know? If there's any videos that you want me to film, if there's anything you're interested in. I want to do a palette, like show you my palette. There's so many palettes. I don't know if you want me to do that. I might have to do like 2, maybe 3. Ooh, it's part of it. Maybe 2 or 3 videos on palettes. I don't know, but let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, I have taken up too much of your time. I just want to thank you all for being here. I truly appreciate it. I will be having a 2,000 giveaway, 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Once I reach 2,000, I am getting close to 1,600, and I am also having maybe a 17. When I get to 1,700 subscribers, I will give away that box of products for men. I say for men, but anybody can use them. But let me know in the comment section. Let me know anything. Anyways, let me let you go because I've taken up too much of your time. So until next time, all of you beautiful people, hasta later.